checking the viscous diff. It sits in between, well, sits on the back end of the automatic gearbox, and both prop shafts connect onto the viscous diff. And the purpose of it is that if one axle starts to spin faster than the other, it will lock and give you the kind of both differentials being driven. Rather than one-wheel drive, you'll end up with two-wheel drive, one on each axle. Easy to check. Jack up the car, handbrake on. I tend to pop it into neutral on the transfer box rather than putting the gearbox into neutral. I don't know why, I've just always done it that way. 27mm socket on a wheel nut, lean on it, and the wheel turns. Doesn't turn at any great pace. I think it's something about, I don't know, 15 seconds or so to turn 90 degrees. The pace that this thing is turning is good for a viscous diff. That's fine, that's working. Alright? And again, I'll probably do it the other way as well. I mean, that's loose enough that I'm not able to undo the wheel nuts by pulling this in an undoey, lefty-loosey fashion. Okay? Viscous diff's fine. Good.